How to turn off repost on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application and it will lead you here to your homepage. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Tap on profile and then on the upper right, you'll see the three dash lines or the burger icon. Tap on that and go to settings and privacy. Now here on settings and privacy, what I want you to do is to tap on privacy there and scroll down up until you see these interactions. Now, under interactions, you should be seeing a repost there, and then all you have to do is to toggle that off. For me, I currently don't have repost on TikTok because it's not available in my country. But if it's available to your country and you still don't have that, what you can do is to go here to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and search for TikTok. Now, here you have to make sure that your application is updated. Once it's updated, it should be the repost option there should be there. And then if it still doesn't work that way or you really want to turn off your repost on TikTok, what you can do is to just report a problem here. Go to support and about and report a problem, videos and sounds, and then go to saving videos or to other here. You can go other and report a problem here. Just say no. And here you will have to briefly explain what your problem is. You can add there, I still don't have the repost button on my interactions. So basically you have to submit it, and that is all for today. And that is how you turn off repost on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.